Hello guys. Now we have here two equations in which we are required to solve for x. That is, we want to find the value of x in these two equations. In the first task, we have the equation 4 to the x is equal to 2. We want to solve this equation for x. That is, we want to find the value of this exponent. So 4 can be written as 2 to the power of 2. That means 2 squared to the power of x is equal to 2. This is the same as 2 to the power of 2x. So we have 2 to the power of 2x is equal to 2. Now we have both numbers on both sides of the equation in base 2. We can equate the exponents. Now, on the right-hand side, we have 2. Remember to say 2 is the same as saying 2 to the power of 1. Now we can equate the exponents. So we have 2x is equal to 1. Dividing both sides by 2 means x is equal to 1 over 2, which is 1/2. Next, we are given 81 to the power of x is equal to 1/3. We are required to find the value of x. Now, we can rewrite both 81 and 1 over 3 in exponential form. Let's start by expressing the fraction 1 over 3 as 3 to the power negative 1. Now, 81 can be written as 3 to the power of 4. 3 times 3 is 9 times 3, 27 times 3, 81. So we have 3 to the power of 4x is equal to 3 to the power of negative 1. Now, since we have the same base, 3, on both sides of the equation, we can equate the powers. Equating the exponents, it means 4x must be equal to negative 1. We want to solve for x. Let's divide both sides by 4. Dividing both sides by 4, we have x is equal to negative 1 over 4. That means x is equal to negative 1 over 4. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the notification button for more videos.